Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to fix GCash OTP not received. So let's get started. First, what you can do is you can go to your settings or just scroll down from the top to bottom and you want to turn on airplane mode. So it normally looks like this airplane icon. So just click that to turn on airplane mode. Then turn it off after a few seconds. After that, go ahead and try to send the verification or the OTP once again. Normally, that fixes the issue. But if it's still not working for you, don't worry, we still have other methods that you can try. So the next thing is you want to go to Play Store. From here, what you can do is if it shows their update instead of open, then you want to make sure that your GCash app is updated because normally that causes issue or errors within the app. But if it's already updated, next thing we can do is go to settings. So let's go ahead and scroll down, look for settings. From here, you want to choose apps, then look for GCash. Now from here, we can do several things. So let's choose storage, and then we can clear data right at the bottom. By doing so, we will clear both data and cache. And that also normally fixes the issue. But if it's still occurring, then what we can do here is to completely uninstall the app. So you have that option at the very bottom, or just go to Play Store to do that. Click uninstall and then reinstall GCache. Now that normally eliminates the error and would let you receive your OTP. And that's about it. Now you know how to fix GCash OTP not received in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!